Hello viewers, are you looking for an all-in-one diagramming tool that makes flowcharts, mind maps, and professional visuals effortless? Meet Wondershare EdrawMax, a powerful and user-friendly software designed for students, professionals, and business. In this video, we will take a deep dive into its features, ease of use, and why it is better than other tools. Let's find out. Here you can see the Wondershare EdrawMax website. You can easily download this software from here by clicking on the free download button, and you will be very amazed because in this software there is very AI diagramming option. This is a one-stop diagram and chart maker. You can create 210 types of diagram including flowchart, mind map, organization chart, Gantt chart, floor plans, and you can visualize your information, brainstorming idea, project management, research and design, strategy and planning. This is just all-in-all productivity software. I have already installed this software. Let me go there. This is the overview of Wondershare EdrawMax. Here you can make flowchart, mind map, block diagram. You can try from here Edraw AI. If you click on the more option, you will find various options over here: electrical engineering, database modeling, software development, cloud service, forms, graphic organizer. Let us see some exclusive feature. Let me click on over here Edraw AI. You can easily make AI flowchart, AI mind map, AI timeline. Let me click on over here the AI chat. Here let me click on the popular chart. I want to make a flowchart. Let me click on over here and just write here your thought. Let me write over here, make a logical operation flow chart, and just click on over here. Here you will see this is just amazing. Beautiful flowchart has been generated. You will see start operation on, confirm operation to, yes int. If you want to redesign it, just select it like this. Here you can change the line color from here very easily. You can change the shadow from here. If you want to change the fill effect, it is very easy to use. Let me select this flowchart and go to design. Here you will find a very beautiful option, on click beauty. Click on over here on click beauty, and you can choose any type of effect from here, and this is just amazing. Let me select this one, and this is beautiful. Let me delete this drawing. Click on don't save. Again go to AI chat, go to popular chart, go to mind map. You can easily upload a file and you can make a mind map very easily. Select the upload file. Let me choose this file where I have written some description about Excel function. Click on open. Now write your question over here. Make a mind map about Excel and just send it, and you will see this is just amazing. A mind map has been generated very beautifully. Let me show you how to insert a blank page and how to make a drawing. Go to for you. Go to basic flowchart, click on blank drawing, and you can delete this from over here, and you can add any shapes over here. You can draw it like this. You can add your shape over here, and you can change it using the on click beauty. There are very types of template over here. Click on all and you will see the various template: local template, algorithm flowchart, barbecue, be a good teacher, various template over here. If you use any of this from here, just click on over here and it will be added. You can modify it very easily. In the more option, you can find various options such as electrical engineering. Click on over here. You can go to all, add any circuit diagram from here, and if you want to modify it, it is very easy. You can add anything over here. You can delete it by pressing the delete button, or you can add it like this, and this is very perfect. From the more option, you can choose the industrial engineering, and you can choose any kind of drawing over here, and you can modify it, or if you want to make your own, it is very easy. You can choose from over here. Let me show you another beautiful option. Let me click on Edraw AI. click on AI drawing, and this is very amazing. Let me choose text to image and let us make a symbol. Click on symbol right here. Make a symbol of a helicopter. Just click on create. You will be amazed because the Wondershare AI drawing make beautiful symbol, stickers, portrait image using AI drawing. Here is the example actually. You can use this PNG in your drawing or you can download it very easily. In the mid of the March 2025, EdrawMax is going to launch a new add-in for PowerPoint. Using that add-in in Microsoft PowerPoint, you will make some beautiful slides very easily. And as a Microsoft Office user, the EdrawMax productivity software also helpful for your daily life because it has a lot of features which helps you to make a productive person. So this software is very easy to use. Download link will be given in the video description. You can easily download it from the description box. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.